आज हम सीखेंगे कि जब सुपरलेटिव डिग्री वाले सेंटेंसेस में वन ऑफ द वर्ड्स आते हैं तो उसकी पॉजिटिव डिग्री और कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में कैसे चेंज किया जाता है। इस सब कुछ आज डिटेल में समझेंगे। तो चलिए सबसे पहले हम सबका स्ट्रक्चर समझ लेते हैं। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री। Subject plus auxiliary verb plus one of the plus suffix est to adjective plus object. Structure of comparative degree. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus suffix er to adjective plus than many other plus object. Structure of positive degree. Very few plus object plus auxiliary verb plus as plus positive adjective plus as plus subject. अब एग्जाम्पल्स की मदद से इस कॉन्सेप्ट को सरल तरीके से समझते हैं। 1. मुंबई इज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट सिटीज इन इंडिया। मुंबई इज लार्जर than many other cities in India. Very few cities in India are as large as Mumbai. 2. Sachin Tendulkar is one of the greatest batsmen in the world. Sachin Tendulkar is greater than many other batsmen in the world. Very few batsmen in the world are as great as Sachin Tendulkar. 3. The Nile is one of the longest rivers in the world. The Nile is longer than many other rivers in the world. Very few rivers in the world are as long as the Nile. 4. Mount Everest is one of the highest mountains in the world. Mount Everest is higher than many other mountains in the world. Very few mountains in the world are as high as Mount Everest. 5. Virat Kohli is one of the best cricketers in India. Virat Kohli is better than many other cricketers in India. Very few cricketers in India are as good as Virat Kohli. 6. Gold is one of the most precious metals. Gold is more precious than many other metals. Very few metals are as precious as gold. 7. Delhi is one of the busiest cities in India. Delhi is busier than many other cities in India. Very few cities in India are as busy as Delhi. 8. The cheetah is one of the fastest animals in the world. The cheetah is faster than many other animals in the world. Very few animals in the world are as fast as the cheetah. 9. Shakespeare was one of the most famous playwrights. Shakespeare was more famous than many other playwrights. Very few playwrights were as famous as Shakespeare. 10. The Pacific Ocean is one of the largest oceans in the world. The Pacific Ocean is larger than many other oceans in the world. Very few oceans in the world are as large as the Pacific Ocean. 11. Riya is one of the smartest girls in the class. Riya is smarter than many other girls in the class. Very few girls in the class are as smart as Riya. 12. This is one of the most interesting books I have read. This book is more interesting than many other books I have read. Very few books I have read are as interesting as this book. 13. The tiger is one of the strongest animals in the jungle. The tiger is stronger than many other animals in the jungle. Very few animals in the jungle are as strong as the tiger. 14. Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful monuments in India. Taj Mahal is more beautiful than many other monuments in India. Very few monuments in India are as beautiful as the Taj Mahal. 15. Rahul is one of the most hard-working students in the school. Rahul is more hard-working than many other students in the school. Very few students in the school are as hard-working as Rahul. 16. The rose is one of the most beautiful flowers. The rose is more beautiful than many other flowers. Very few flowers are as beautiful as the rose. 17. Japan is one of the most developed countries in Asia. Japan is more developed than many other countries in Asia. Very few countries in Asia are as developed as Japan. 18. The elephant is one of the largest land animals. The elephant is larger than many other land animals. Very few land animals are as large as the elephant. 19. Sunil Gavaskar was one of the finest batsmen of his time. Sunil Gavaskar was finer than many other batsmen of his time. Very few batsmen of his time were as fine as Sunil Gavaskar. 20. Kerala is one of the most beautiful states in India. Kerala is more beautiful than many other states in India. Very few states in India are as beautiful as Kerala. जब सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज के सेंटेंसेस में वन ऑफ जैसे वर्ड्स नहीं होते हैं तो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री और पॉजिटिव डिग्री के स्ट्रक्चर में स्लाइट चेंज होता है. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus the plus suffix est to adjective plus object. Structure of comparative degree. Subject plus auxiliary verb plus suffix er to adjective plus than any other plus object. Structure of positive degree. No other plus object plus auxiliary verb plus as plus positive adjective plus as plus subject. अब एग्जाम्पल्स की मदद से कॉन्सेप्ट समझते हैं. 1. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. Mount Everest is higher than any other mountain peak in the world. No other mountain peak in the world is as high as Mount Everest. 2. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. The cheetah is faster than any other land animal. No other land animal is as fast as the cheetah.
3. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the greatest emperor in the world. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was greater than any other emperor in the world. No other emperor in the world was as great as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
4. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The Pacific Ocean is larger than any other ocean in the world. No other ocean in the world is as large as the Pacific Ocean. 5. Diamond is the hardest natural substance. Diamond is harder than any other natural substance. No other natural substance is as hard as a diamond. 6. Shakespeare was the most famous playwright of his age. Shakespeare was more famous than any other playwright of his age. No other playwright of his age was as famous as Shakespeare. 7. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is bigger than any other planet in the solar system. No other planet in the solar system is as big as Jupiter. 8. Iron is the most useful metals. Iron is more useful than any other metals. No other metals are as useful as iron. 9. Sachin Tendulkar is the greatest batsman. Sachin Tendulkar is greater than any other batsman. No other batsmen are as great as Sachin Tendulkar. 10. The Nile is the longest river in Africa. The Nile is longer than any other river in Africa. No other river in Africa is as long as the Nile. 11. Gold is the most precious metal. Gold is more precious than any other metal. No other metal is as precious as gold. 12. The tiger is the strongest animal in the jungle. The tiger is stronger than any other animal in the jungle. No other animal in the jungle is as strong as the tiger. 13. Mumbai is the largest cities in India. Mumbai is larger than any other cities in India. No other cities in India are as large as Mumbai. 14. The sun is the brightest object in our solar system. The sun is brighter than any other object in our solar system. No other object in our solar system is as bright as the sun. 15. Einstein was the most intelligent scientist. Einstein was more intelligent than any other scientists. No other scientists were as intelligent as Einstein. 16. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. The blue whale is larger than any other animal on Earth. No other animal on Earth is as large as the blue whale. 17. This is the best book in the library. This book is better than any other book in the library. No other book in the library is as good as this book. 18. Rahul is the tallest boy in the class. Rahul is taller than any other boy in the class. No other boy in the class is as tall as Rahul. 19. The Taj Mahal is the most beautiful monuments in India. The Taj Mahal is more beautiful than any other monuments in India. No other monuments in India are as beautiful as the Taj Mahal. 20. Winter is the coldest season of the year. Winter is colder than any other season of the year. No other season of the year is as cold as winter. Practice these 20 examples and degree transformation becomes extremely easy for SSC, MPSC, UPSC, banking and other competitive exams. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.